Today, we're tackling a super common frustration on the internet, getting hit with Cloudflare challenges or blocks when you're just trying to access a website. By the end of this video, you'll have a full toolkit of practical solutions to get around those access denied or endless verification loops, so you can browse without unnecessary roadblocks. Let's dive right in. First up, one of the most widespread causes of Cloudflare blocks is using a VPN or proxy service. If you've got a VPN running for privacy or to access region-locked content, there's a good chance Cloudflare is flagging your traffic as suspicious. Go ahead and turn off your VPN or proxy for a moment, then try reloading the site. This happens because shared VPN servers can be used by hundreds or thousands of people. And if even a few abuse the service, the IP address earns a bad reputation. So if privacy isn't critical for this session, disabling your VPN or proxy can be the quickest fix. Next, let's try opening the website in incognito mode, or private browsing if you're on Firefox or Safari. Why does this work? Well, the incognito window starts you off with a clean slate, free from the impacts of cached files, cookies, or any extensions that might be meddling with page loads. Just hit Ctrl+Shift+N or CMD+Shift+N to pop up a new incognito window, then paste in the website address. If it loads up fine, you've just narrowed down the culprit to something in your main browser profile. Which brings us to the next strategy, clearing your cache and cookies specifically for the website giving you trouble. Sometimes old cookies or cached scripts can throw off Cloudflare's verification, making it think you're a robot when you're, well, clearly not. Go into your browser settings, search for your browsing data, and clear cookies and site data for that website. Don't worry if this logs you out of the site, you can always log back in. And you'll have a fresh session that's less likely to trigger any security blocks. Now, extensions can also cause headaches. Ad blockers like uBlock Origin, privacy-focused add-ons, or any tools that modify how web pages load might trip up Cloudflare's checks. For troubleshooting, disable your ad blocker and other extensions temporarily, then reload the site. A little inconvenient, but if the website suddenly works, you've found your issue. You can always turn your extensions back on after you're finished. Cloudflare also loves to check if your browser has JavaScript enabled. If you or an extension have turned it off, many sites will simply refuse to show up. Double-check your browser settings to ensure JavaScript is enabled. This setting is usually on by default, but it's worth a peek if nothing else has worked. Still stuck? Try switching things up completely. Use a different browser, like moving from Chrome to Firefox or Edge, and if possible, connect to another network. For instance, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes, network-specific firewalls or blacklisted IP ranges can cause these issues, and a change in environment is all it takes to get around them. Finally, consider running a malware scan on your computer. This might sound a little drastic, but some persistent or strange Cloudflare blocks can be a sign that something's amiss on your system. Malicious software could be hijacking your network activity, making you look suspicious to Cloudflare. A quick scan with reputable antivirus software can bring you peace of mind. So there you have it, a set of tried and tested methods to unblock Cloudflare challenges and get you back to smooth browsing. If any of these steps helped, or if you ran into a different issue, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next one.